Another great way to use apples that's a super healthy snack and really easy to make is apple compote salad. Let's take a look at this. Just a half an apple chopped, 6 cherries halved, 15 to 20 blueberries with a half a banana sliced. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit of agave and lemon over it. We're gonna stir and serve. It's so delicious. Let's take a look at how to make this. First, we're gonna take a half of our apple and we're gonna take out the seeds and the core. And we're gonna chop this up. Bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to take cherries, and we're going to add 6 cherries halved. Isn't that pretty? Now we're going to add about 10 to 15 blueberries. And finally, we're going to take a banana, and we're going to slice it into bits and add it to our compote. How easy is that for a snack? Finally, we're going to add a splash of some lemon. And just a drizzle of some agave. Super easy. As much as you want to taste. If you want to add other seasoning like cinnamon, you're welcome to. Sometimes I like it just plain like this. Give it a good toss. The kids will love this too. You can add yogurt if you want to this, cereal to this, or just eat it plain. Sit by the poolside or outside and enjoy this beautiful, colorful snack. Let's take a taste. The blend of the flavors is so perfect. You can make up your own too, but be sure to add apples.